Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bunny-eared hair bow. What you're going to need is a long strip here. This is actually cut 4.5 by 2 1/4. I pre-made the bunny ears. I just kind of roughly cut something that I thought looked like bunny ears with the pink and then put the gray inside. We also have a hair clip and another strip which I just kind of eyeballed and cut for the center. We have a thread and needle and hot glue. But before we get into this video, if you are not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe now. Make sure you like this video. Also make sure you're following me on Instagram, and let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to start by folding this in half. You kind of just want to create a center. So now what you have is your center there, and I'm going to put some hot glue there in that center and then fold over our sides. Make sure you fold, get the corners here down so that when you get ready to create the bow, they're not hanging over. Okay, so now we have that made. You can always fluff this up later on. So this is the tricky part. Everybody has trouble with this part, and please don't mind my nails, they need to be done. But what I like to do is pinch and fold and then fold. That's the easiest way. I'll show you again. You can do it like that. Easiest way to do it. Now if you want more depth to the bow, then you can fold it in twice, and I'll show you that one day. But at this point I like to add my thread to make this bow secure. And then I just wrap it around few times and then put the needle through the center like so. So your bow is now created. What I like to do for the back part, my scissors are so dull, sorry. I like to add a little glue so the thread doesn't unravel. Okay, so there's your bow, and like I said, you can fluff this up later. So at this point now we are going to put our centerpiece. Okay, so now our hair clip comes into play. I like to kind of place just to see where I'm going to have this go. So now what I'm going to do is go across and just put some hot glue along here. And this is a trick that I do so that when I glue it down, it doesn't glue to itself. So I like to leave that part open just until it's secure enough to get down there. Okay, and I need a little bit more glue here on that part. Open that back up again. And now you can put this other flap through. Just put a little bit of hot glue. And there you have it. So now that we've created the bow, we're going to put the bunny ears on. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I have this turned this way, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue here on the bottom. Put the first ear on, just kind of see where I want it placed. I'm going to stick it right there. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. And there you have it. Quick, simple, easy, cute. You can make these bigger, you can make them smaller, you can put it on a headband instead of making it a barrette. But I think this is really cute. You can play around with colors and different materials, but it's just a little something to add a little bit of more accessory to your child's Easter outfit. So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Also make sure you're following me on Instagram. If you're interested, you can check out my vlog channel. I just put a video up yesterday of my daughter's kid pick unboxing and try on, so make sure you check that out. Also make sure you are connected with us on our movie review channel, as well as Greg's podcast channel, which is all linked in the description. And I will see you next time. Bye.